It's hot. Bury me. Now you want to get buried? Yes. I think you've buried yourself. I don't care. Ah! We're now over here. More wet sand. The ocean's right over there. Ah! Lay down. I'm digging you a hole. Get in. Why do I have to get in the hole? Get in the hole. Save me. No one's ever gonna save you anymore. No one's gonna save you now, Glitch. Goodbye. Just watch. Hey, you're lucky I didn't bury you in an area where the ocean is, because the ocean's like right there. Also, by the way, we're surrounded by giant humans. It's scary. What if one steps on me? Then it'll be funny. No, it won't. Yeah, it will. What the fluff did you just do? Died. Oh my God! Why are everyone screaming? Oh my God, you're going crazy. Get in the hole. Ah! Dude, can you stop? Yeah. You're good. I will throw you into the water. Freaking heck. Hail it. Yes. Can you not do that? I got sand in my eyes! And I don't have sand in my eyes. Why do you do this to me? Wait, come here, Glitch. Here, Glitch. Bye! Pallet! Wet sand. Please don't leave me like this. Bye, Glitch. Bye, get back here! No. Why? 'Cause you're ugly and I want to see you get wet. I want to see you get wet in the water. Come on, ocean! Give us some water. Give this boy some water. He needs it a lot. He's looking all covered in sand. Pilot. Oh, bye, Glitch. Pilot! 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 The water! Dang it! Far out enough, I guess. Pilot! Oh my God, this is soft. Oh, bye. Pilot! Come back. Oh my goodness gracious. Pallet. Ah, my eye! Get in there! You missed me. Ah! Oh my God! That is terrifying! Oh my God! Finally, I'm no longer stuck in the sand anymore. Oh my God! Ah! Hey, you got bad! No fair. No fair, you gotta go in the water and have fun! Meanwhile, I'm over here dying with depression. Helen, that was not fun. I almost died. The water almost took me away! Well, good for you then. Boy. Did you just hit me? No. I hope you drown. Helen, that's not very polite. Neither is hitting me in the face. Here, now you are stuck in the water. I mean sand. Yeah, but you'll drown soon enough. You'll die. Howlett! 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 Oh, crap! What? Don't do that! Okay, let's just go back. Oh! Ew. I almost landed on bird poo. But at least you landed on your feet, mate. Now I'm covered in sand. You're lost. I am not as bad. We still need to wash off. Yeah. Where's the shadow coming from?